For the best results, take L-Carnitine powder as directed on the label or as prescribed by your pharmacist or physician. It is advisable to take L-Carnitine powder on an empty stomach for optimal absorption, usually 30 minutes to 1 hour before meals. The typical dosage of L-Carnitine powder is 500 to 2000 mg per day, divided into 2 or 3 doses. It is important to follow the dosing instructions provided by your healthcare professional to ensure its effectiveness. L-Carnitine powder may be beneficial for athletes looking to improve exercise performance, as well as individuals with certain health conditions such as heart disease and diabetes. Always consult with your healthcare provider before starting any new supplement regimen. In the U.S., you can call your doctor for medical advice about any side effects you may experience. You can also report any side effects to the FDA at 1-800-FDA-1088 or at www.fda.gov/medwatch. In Canada, you can call your doctor for medical advice about side effects and report any side effects to Health Canada at 1-866-234-2345. Now, let's talk about the uses of L-Carnitine powder. L-Carnitine is a nutrient and dietary supplement. It helps the body produce energy by releasing fatty acids, which are then used by the cells to generate adenosine triphosphate, ATP. Some people take L-Carnitine for various reasons such as weight loss, improving exercise performance, and increasing energy levels. The daily dosage of L-Carnitine powder can vary depending on the individual and their specific needs. It is best to consult with a healthcare professional to determine the optimal dosage for you. It is recommended to take L-Carnitine with meals, especially if you are using it for exercise performance or energy enhancement. This can help improve absorption and effectiveness. Check with your pharmacist or doctor if you have any questions about the proper use of L-Carnitine powder. Make sure to consult with your pharmacist or physician before starting to take L-Carnitine powder. It's important to keep a list of all your medications and share it with your healthcare professionals. If you or someone has overdosed on L-Carnitine powder and experiencing severe symptoms such as passing out or difficulty breathing, it's important to seek immediate medical help by calling 911 or a poison control center. In the U.S., you can call your local poison control center at 1-800-222-1222, and in Canada, residents can call a provincial poison control center. At this time, there is no available detailed information about L-Carnitine powder. However, it is commonly used as a dietary supplement to aid in weight loss, increase exercise performance, and improve overall energy levels. The recommended daily dosage of L-Carnitine powder varies depending on the individual and their specific needs. It is best to consult with a healthcare professional to determine the appropriate dosage for your personal situation. As for the optimal timing, it is generally recommended to take L-Carnitine powder before a workout to enhance exercise performance and support weight loss goals. Check with your pharmacist or doctor if you have any questions about the proper use of L-Carnitine powder. Always consult with your healthcare provider before taking L-Carnitine powder. Do not dispose of the powder by flushing it down the toilet or pouring it into a drain unless specifically instructed. Properly discard the product and it is expired or no longer needed. Please consult with your pharmacist or local waste disposal company for more information on how to safely dispose of the product. L-Carnitine powder is commonly used as a dietary supplement to increase L-Carnitine levels in the body. It may be used to treat certain conditions related to low levels of L-Carnitine, such as genetic disorders, kidney disease, or certain medications. The daily dosage of L-Carnitine powder varies depending on the individual and the condition being treated. It is best to follow the instructions provided by your healthcare provider or the product label. L-Carnitine powder is generally well tolerated and can be taken with or without food. However, it is often recommended to take it with a meal to improve absorption. If you need more help, call your doctor for medical advice. In the U.S., you call FDA 1-800-FDA-1088. In Canada, you may call Health Canada 1-866-234-2345. Wishing you good health. Thanks for watching.